Last one, you guys. Question 9. Graph this function. Choose a viewing window that shows 3 local extrema values and all of the x-intercepts. Make a sketch and show the viewing window. Alright, this is very important. We know that it is to the 4th power. So when it says 3 local extrema, it knows there's going to be 3 because it's a quartic, right? So we have to the 4th power. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 movements because it's a degree 4 polynomial. And we have a maximum here, a local maximum here, a local minimum here, and another local maximum here. So that's my 3. So it wants you to show all 3. It also wants you to be careful to show all x-intercepts. And the reason why is because if you zoom in here to this local extrema here, this minimum, you can see it gets really low, but it doesn't actually cross the x-axis. So you need to be very, very careful when you graph this in your calculator to make sure that you know how many zeros there are. Okay, so let's go out again, go down so we can see that. Let's see if we can get it. I'm just going to have to sketch it knowing, because it wants all the extrema, knowing that this doesn't actually touch. So let's do that. It looks like it crosses here at negative 1.5, and over here, I can double check that, at at 1.4 here, negative 1.5 here, and then nowhere in here. So let's sketch this. Let's see if I can do a good job sketching this. So if I just go to like positive 5 and negative 5 here, and then I think, what was my maximum y here? 7. So I need to go 10 up, and then I don't need to go very far down, just to like negative 1. So, but I'll just make it even. 10 there, negative 10 there. Let's see, my maximum over here was at about negative 1. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be here. And then way down here, a little bit before a half. 1, 2, 3, 4. So half. This is where it almost looks like it touches but doesn't. And then at 1 here, it goes back up to about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 here. Okay. Good. And then at 1.4 down. So it's just a sketch, but it's going to get me something like this, right? And it is a negative quartic, so both end behaviors are going to be going to negative infinity there, so we can see that. 1, 2, 3. It's never going to be perfect. Okay, and you can show your window just like this on your actual graph, so that you know approximately where things are going to be. And then 9b, state these things, and I forgot to write this down, but we practiced them a lot in class. The leading term up here is negative 3x to the 4th power. The leading coefficient, negative 3, and the degree of the polynomial, the highest exponent there, 4. Alright, you guys, that's the last of the videos for this test, so good luck studying, and I will see you tomorrow.